Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Simla. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Simla you can create new tasks and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where we want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Simla, Create Task. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Simla account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify the API domain and API key. To get this data, go to your Simla personal account. Copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, go to the Settings, Integrations section, API Access Keys. If you have already created an API key, click on it and copy it. Check that all the checkboxes are checked. When the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you see the Simla fields for creating new tasks. In these fields you can assign variables from TikTok. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. Also select who the task will be assigned to. When all the necessary fields are filled in, continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Simla as new tasks for each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Simla. After successful sending, go to Simla and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly transferred to Simla as new tasks, you need to enable auto-update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.